Many believe Social Security means your travel days are over, that retirement is a time to stay home all day, watch travel shows from your couch, and limit your horizons. Think again. Retirement can be a new beginning, a chance to explore the world and create lasting memories now than ever before. Really? How? With President Trump's One Big Beautiful Bill. The bill signed into law on July 4, 2025, is a sweeping piece of legislation with significant implications for seniors and the broader American public. This new law means nearly 90% of seniors will no longer pay federal taxes on their Social Security benefits. Can you imagine? That's more money in your pocket and more freedom to turn your travel dreams into reality. In this video, we'll show you how to maximize these savings, budget for unforgettable adventures, and how to stretch your travel dollars and unlock real freedom, one destination at a time. You don't need a massive savings account. A fortune isn't required to see the world. All you need is knowledge and a little bit of courage to take the first step towards your dream trip. Imagine sipping coffee in Paris, soaking in the atmosphere and enjoying the simple pleasures of life, or watching a Mediterranean sunset, the vibrant colors painting the sky as you relax and unwind. These experiences are within reach, more accessible than you might think. Let's break down the process into simple, manageable steps so you can explore the globe without breaking the bank, ensuring a comfortable and fulfilling retirement. Ready to empower your journey? Let's get started. Before we dive into flights and tropical getaways, let's talk reality. Social Security isn't a jackpot, it's a fixed monthly income and sometimes a very small one. But in 2025, the new bill could be a game changer for senior travelers. How? Under the new law, seniors age 65 plus receive a $6,000 bonus deduction, or $12,000 for couples, in addition to the existing standard deduction and age credit. Nice, right? You can keep more of your benefits than ever before and therefore plan that dream trip. So how can you do that? Smart budgeting? Yes. Smart budgeting is non-negotiable. Embarking on your financial journey starts right at your kitchen table, the heart of your home. To budget effectively, you need to know your exact benefit amount. Don't estimate. Get the precise figure to ensure your budget is accurate and realistic. Log into your secure Social Security account online. This is the easiest and most direct way to access your benefit information. Alternatively, check your bank statement for your monthly deposit amount. This provides a quick confirmation of the funds you're receiving. Financial experts often suggest allocating around 5 to 10% of your annual income specifically for travel and leisure. This ensures you can enjoy life's adventures without compromising your financial stability. For example, if you receive a $2,000 monthly benefit, that's $24,000 per year. Setting aside just $100, $200 each month can add up surprisingly quickly. Over a year, that's $1,200 to $2,400 dedicated to your travel dreams. Not bad, right? That's enough for a budget-friendly trip or even slow travel abroad if you plan ahead. So how exactly do you budget for travel when you're living on Social Security? Let's keep it simple with a proven method. The 50-30-20 rule. 50% goes to needs, things like rent, groceries, and meds. 20% is for savings or debt repayment. And here's the fun part. 30% is for wants. That includes travel. That means even on a modest monthly benefit, say $2,000 with no federal taxes on it, you could be setting aside $600 a month for lifestyle extras, including your next adventure. So earmark these travel funds, keeping them separate from your everyday spending money. This ensures your dream trip stays firmly on track, protected from unexpected expenses or impulse buys. Consistency is absolutely key to building your travel fund. Remember, even small monthly savings, when consistently applied, can accumulate and fund truly big adventures. This disciplined and thoughtful approach unlocks the world for you, making travel accessible and enjoyable. Coming up next, we'll cover how to plan your trips smartly and avoid bill surprises and headaches while living your best travel life. But first, hit that like button if you're ready to prove retirement doesn't mean staying home. Drop the word freedom in the comments if you're claiming your next adventure. Once your travel fund starts to grow, you'll feel the excitement building. Seeing those numbers climb is a great motivator, but the real challenge and the real reward comes from making that money work for you. It's time to stretch every dollar as far as it can possibly go. Think of it as an investment in your future happiness and unforgettable memories. Every penny pinched is a penny closer to that dream trip. Here are my tips. Travel during off-peak seasons. Consider the shoulder months, those sweet spots just before or after the high season. You'll find significantly cheaper flights and accommodations, and fewer crowds to contend with. It's a win-win. And speaking of accommodations, ditch overpriced hotels. Try trusted platforms like Hotel Look to compare prices, or consider charming guest houses. These often offer a more personal touch and can be significantly more affordable than traditional hotels. Also consider hostels with private rooms, which provide a budget-friendly option with a bit more privacy, or vacation rentals where you can cook your own meals. Cooking some of your own meals saves big money. The cost of eating out for every meal can quickly deplete your travel fund compared to preparing your own food. Plus, it's a great way to experience local markets and ingredients. Always be sure to look for senior discounts and inquire about weekly rates at hotels or rentals. You might be surprised at the savings you can unlock. Next, use Travel Rewards credit cards strategically. But remember, always pay off the balance monthly. This allows you to accumulate points and miles to earn free flights or stays without incurring interest charges. That's travel hacking, made simple. Choose cards with attractive sign-up bonuses to boost your points balance and, crucially, ensure they have no foreign transaction fees to avoid extra charges while you're abroad. Always hunt for deals online. Many attractions and public transit systems offer significant senior discounts. Don't hesitate to ask. Group tours specifically designed for retirees can unlock bulk savings on transportation, accommodation, and activities. Before you go, check sites like Groupon for local deals at your destination on restaurants, activities, and attractions. A little research before you go, comparing prices and finding free activities, means more money for unforgettable experiences. Every dollar saved through smart planning and savvy choices is another dollar available for your next adventure, bringing you closer to seeing the world. Coming up next, let's talk about how to securely receive your income abroad and avoid banking headaches while enjoying your time. So, here's the million-dollar question. Can you receive Social Security while abroad? For most, yes. According to the U.S. Social Security Administration, you can receive payments in over 100 countries worldwide. But there are some exceptions, so it's important to check first. Use the Payments Abroad screening tool on SSA.gov. It's quick, free, and tells you if your destination is approved. Standard retirement benefits are flexible, but SSDI, Social Security Disability Insurance, and SSI, Supplemental Security Income, have stricter rules. If you're on SSDI, you can usually stay abroad for more than 6 months without losing benefits. If you're on SSI, it's different. You can only leave the U.S. for 30 days or less before your benefits are paused. And yes, you must report your international travel to the SSA in both cases. Transparency is key. Always notify the SSA of extended travel or address changes to avoid payment interruptions. Direct deposit to a U.S. bank is safest. However, bank fees and bad exchange rates can quietly eat away at your benefits. So, use an ATM card with low fees to access funds abroad. Or use money transfer services like Wise or Zoom to move your dollars with lower fees and better conversion rates. Link in the description. This means more money in your hand, less in the bank's pocket. Managing money overseas is easier than ever. Stay informed about your benefit type and destination rules. Keep communication open with the SSA for peace of mind. With these steps, your financial lifeline follows you worldwide. Travel confidently, knowing your payments are secure. Now let's see how we can save more money to enjoy our trip. To make your budget last, get creative with lodging. Try house sitting. Care for someone's home and pets in exchange for free accommodation. Consider house swaps if you own your home. Trade places with someone abroad for an authentic, cost-free stay. Look for senior travel programs and clubs offering group discounts and insider tips. Embrace slow travel. Stay longer in one place, rent an apartment, shop at local markets, and use public transit. Longer stays are cheaper per night and offer deeper experiences. These strategies save thousands and let you live like a local. You'll return home with richer memories and a healthier bank account. Smart choices make travel affordable and unforgettable. Let's talk about something most people avoid until it's too late: healthcare while traveling. Medicare usually doesn't cover you abroad, so unless you're planning to pay out of pocket in a foreign currency, don't travel without insurance. The good news? There are affordable travel insurance options made with seniors in mind. I recommend ECTA Travel Insurance, simple, reliable, and budget-friendly. ECTA covers you for emergencies, hospital visits, and more, even during long trips. Click the link in the description to compare plans. If staying long-term, research totalization agreements to protect your Social Security benefits. The U.S. has totalization agreements with over 30 countries, including Spain, Italy, and the U.K. These agreements help protect your Social Security credits and avoid double taxation. If you rely on Medicaid or SNAP, food stamps, the new federal bill has tightened the rules. There are now stricter eligibility requirements and more frequent reviews. If you're dual eligible for Medicare and Medicaid, expect centralized checks and possible interruptions in coverage. So always double-check your status before planning extended travel. Also, don't forget to schedule a doctor's visit before you go, get vaccinations, enough prescriptions, and a list of your medications. Carry your medical info with you. Being proactive about health is as important as insurance. These steps ensure you're safe and secure wherever you travel. Peace of mind lets you enjoy the journey. Timing is everything, especially when it comes to claiming Social Security. Deciding when to claim it shapes your travel budget. Claim as early as 62 for smaller checks but immediate travel freedom. You get access to your funds while you're still active and ready to explore that dream trip. Or wait for a higher monthly benefit. That means more money later, and a more flexible travel budget for years to come. Do you know that nearly 65% of retirees claimed Social Security early on average? Why? Because they'd rather trade a slightly smaller check for the chance to check off those bucket list adventures while they're still healthy and energized enough to enjoy them. And here's where 2025 gives you a big win with the new bill. Seniors now get a $6,000 federal tax deduction on Social Security income. That means it's the perfect time to review your withdrawal strategy. Whether you're funding short trips or planning for long stays, this new tax break can help you keep more of your benefits and use them for what matters most: living your best travel life. But there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Consider your health, finances, and travel goals. Run the numbers, think about your active years, and discuss with your spouse or advisor. So if you could choose, would you rather travel more now while you're full of energy, or wait for a bigger Social Security check later? What's your adventure style: early explorer or patient planner? Drop your thoughts in the comments section. We've covered budgeting, saving health, and managing benefits abroad. Now it's time to act. Start by determining your travel budget, check your Social Security benefit, and set aside 5-10% monthly. Open a dedicated savings account and automate your travel fund. Research destinations and use the SSA's Payments Abroad tool. Get your passport, check its expiration, and look into travel insurance. Consider a rewards credit card with no foreign transaction fees. Each small step builds momentum toward your adventure. Give yourself permission to dream big. Retirement is your new beginning. Traveling on Social Security is possible and rewarding. You have the tools and the roadmap. The only thing left is to start. Take that first step today. Want to know my best recommendations for safe and affordable destinations for seniors? Check my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, travel smart, earn more, and live free.